Hello, welcome to our channel. My name is Elena,
I'm Peter.
and today we're gonna talk to you about how is the living la vida lounge life.
Yes, nice alliteration. So don't worry, we're not doing the whole thing in Spanish.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
So we did want to follow up on our previous videos where we talked about earning the lounge access, why it was important, and what the kind of savings we were expecting to get. And actually did mention a little bit in another video about some savings we've realized. But today we really kind of wanted to wrap it all together in one quick video, tell you about it. So for those of you who have not, traveled as much or had not been had the access into a lounge, and then wondering why we keep mentioning it, why it's important. So a hotel lounge is generally a private space within the lounge. In the case of here in Da Nang, at this Crown Plaza, it is an entire floor where they have it set aside with some comfortable spaces, couches, dining area. For breakfast is the main meal of the day. But we also, during the day, you can go up there and work, hang out, um, go get some afternoon tea, which is, a little bit of food, some way too many sweets, and, coffees and whatever else you want to get. Tea, of course, a tea service. And then in the evening, we get to.
Oh, we get to get like kind of dinner. Yeah, it's like a small. I would say not that small, but not that small plate of a little bit of everything.
It's
So
basically getting an hors d'oeuvre platter, kind of like a happy hour thing. They've got beverages. So you can get glasses of wine or beverage or alcoholic beverages, sodas, coffees and teas, smoothies. So it's just a really nice place to go, not have to go deal with going out to restaurants. And the best part, of course, is because you have the lounge access, it is part of it, part of the deal. So that's what you get in the lounge, and many of them are stunningly beautiful, comfortable spaces. A few of them are just kind of private-ish spaces that you get to go into, but free food doesn't suck.
yeah,
It's not a bad thing to get some free benefits.
yeah, especially because it's going to help you a lot with your budget.
Yes, for those of us who do have a pretty firm budget that we're trying to keep, it's really helping us, and that's what we're going to wrap up with at the end of this video. But we did talk about in the previous one. So, how do you get into a lounge? Well, there's two ways. You can book a rate that includes lounge access or purchase lounge access when you check into a hotel that has a lounge. Generally, what we're finding is the lounge rate is, between $50 and $100 for the couple, for two people in a room, because they let you have up to two people get into the lounge in a rate. Or you have loyalty, you build up that loyalty with the brand, and you become, in our case, a platinum member with lounge access. We actually elected it under IHG as one of their perks after a 40-night stay last year that we did. So you get yourself in there. Now, if you're paying to get in at 50 or 100 or $100 or in that area, you definitely want to get your fill of the food, the beverages, etc.
Yeah, every single hotel has their different prices. Some of them charge one price for a couple, and another one's charge per person. So it all depends, I guess, how fancy is the hotel.
Yeah. So yeah, obviously, hopefully it's worth it if you're buying your way into the lounge. Most people who are in there are people who stay a lot of nights in a hotel chain, and they earn that loyalty and they earn that lounge access. But it is truly one of the more valuable perks you can get, which is why we worked so hard last year staying in some fairly mediocre hotels um, to get our 40 nights so we could get the lounge access. That, thank goodness, we got in before they changed the rules. We get 2 years of lounge access from
I
now
was
on.
going to say that. Yeah.
Yeah, from now on, IHG has matched some other properties that or other brands that now, when you get the lounge access, when you earn it, the clock starts, and it's basically for a year after that, from when you select it. So we were one of the last folks to get it, though we have met a few other people up in the lounge. Now, one of the other benefits of the lounge is because it is a quieter space and you have these kind of happy hour type of evenings, you get a chance to meet other people.
Yep.
Which, if you stay in hotels, unless you're hanging out in the bar, it's not a place you really meet people. and they tend to be nice people who are there, working, retired, whatever, but they're in that same field as us. So you really get to, strike up some conversations. And we've made some friends, which is really cool.
Yes, yeah. When you're sitting in there having a conversation and or having a conversation with the people who works in the lounge, and they hear your accent, well, not my accent, his accent, and they realize they were from the States. So they most of the time they introduce themselves, and we start a conversation, and one thing go to another, and some of them stay a long time, like us over here in this hotel, and other ones just stay for a week, things like that. But for sure, you gonna make new people and make new friends.
Yes. So with that, hello to Lisa and Leon. We miss you guys. So friends who just went back to home. So in talking about the value, now, we, as we've said before, breakfast is our big meal. We are really trying to eat a lot less at lunch and dinner. So the lounge kind of fits our lifestyle. We get a full breakfast buffet plus things you can order off the menu. Here in Vietnam, we're ordering everything from local dishes to, some special egg meals and omelets and stuff like that. So it's easy to eat a lot at breakfast. And the pastry chef here is awesome.
And on top of that, if you have the luck to meet the chef who really start a conversation with you and like you a lot, he will make special dishes for you here and there,
Yeah.
like this guy over here. I'm so grateful for him because he's spoiling us, and every single thing that we just suggest, like a mozzarella cheese, he took the time to find the mozzarella cheese and bring that to the menu just because we talk about it.
Yeah, we just said we loved it when we were, living in apartments. We tend to buy the cheese and have it with, tomatoes for caprese salad or a slice with our, breakfast or something like that. And sure enough, he added it. And he's made some other things for us, and it's just kind of special treats, and it's really nice. One of the perks of staying longer in one hotel, you do get to know them a little more.
Yep.
So when we talk about the value, though, we're talking full breakfast, and as we've said before, English breakfasts or English style, American style breakfast over here with bacon and eggs and stuff tends to be one of the more expensive meals you can go and get outside of like Wagyu beef, steaks. So, we were spending at least $15 to $20 for the two of us to eat breakfast in Bangkok or out here before when we were not in the lounge in this hotel. So when you add in lunch and dinner and drinks and coffees and smoothies, we tend to put that value somewhere between, $20 to $40, depending on the lounge per night. So when you're staying in a place for 20 plus nights, that's a lot of savings. And, it really did help our budget last month. In January, that video is coming. In February, it is probably going to save us, um, several $100s. So is it worth it based on what we had to go through to earn the lounge access last year? Oh God, yes. And that's in the first 2 months of this year. Well, not even 2 months yet. And we have 100 nights of lounges just about booked already. We do pay a little bit more because lounges only exist in some of the higher end hotels. So we're spending a little bit more money or to buy points. That's the other secret. Use points to do this, especially with IHG. The cash rate is a lot higher than a points rate equivalent of buying the points. We do have a video about that. We've talked about in a couple of videos. I'm going to put a more detailed breakdown out as soon as I can get done editing it, where I talk about us buying points and really what it's cost us comparatively to paying the cash rates, which we did a lot last year. So anyway, what else do you want to say about the lounge before we let them go?
I mean, especially for this hotel, I have to mention the fact that the first week that we were here in Da Nang, I was very sick, and we went up to the lounge, and the people who work in there, they start to suggest, we can make you this soup that's gonna make you feel better. We can make you this tea that's gonna help you with the fever. Anyway, I mean, it not just create a friendship with the people who comes to stay in the hotel, but also kind of friendship with the people who work in the hotel, which is amazing.
Yeah, and they've helped us with everything from getting the medicines we need to some things we aren't able to buy because we don't have the ability to buy online here in Vietnam, at least not easily. There's no Amazon here, so they've helped us order a few things. They've just helped us organize our life and go find things. They've given us lots of travel suggestions and things to go do because when you stay a long time in one area, you just don't want to hang around the hotel no matter how nice it is. You want to go see some of the sights, and there are a lot of things to see in Da Nang, and we've had a great time. So we're definitely going to be putting out more videos about the hotel, about the lounge. Well, the lounge will be part of the hotel, about the city of Da Nang, etc. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Learned something.
Thank you for watching.
Let's try that one again. We'll edit that part out.
Okay. No, seriously, thank you for watching. And please let us know if you have any comments, if you have any questions. We're here to help you in any way.
Yep. And if you have other hotels, especially ones with lounges that you suggest, we are not, totally IHG only. Though, this time of the year, we're racking up our nights pretty darn quickly in these great cities around Vietnam. So thank you again. Happy travels. Take care.
Bye.